Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on your DOOGEE Fire 7. So first, what you guys want to do is enable it in the settings. It's not available on some devices, but for this one it is. As you guys can see, I do not have my percentage right here, and I also don't have it in my control center. So, how to enable it? We go straight into the settings. Now, in those settings, we want to go over to battery. Here we already see our percentage, but we want to go over and scroll down to battery style and energy percentage. So here we can choose the battery style, as you guys can see, and here we can choose the energy percentage. So we can choose to show outside of the battery or inside of the battery. Now the text is definitely smaller, but still you guys can see the difference between this and a fully filled battery. So here you guys can have fun and change it. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.